Is it supposed to be that hot? Like, no, did you take off the skin with it? Here's just a better close-up of the bad nails. Like, it's just like a statement piece. We love her. Hey guys, it's Alicia. I leave for my vacation to Cancun in about 4 days. So of course, I have to show you guys me getting ready and preparations and all that. But right now, I'm actually gonna go to my nail appointment and take you guys with me. This is kind of what I want. They're so cute and like it's just giving, you know? And I think I'm gonna get that shape and length as well. I took my hair out just now. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I'm just gonna get my lashes done, my eyebrows, probably wax my mustache, and then a mani and a pedi. So I'm really excited. I'm taking you guys with me. After that, I'm also gonna go get waxed by my friend. It ain't anything serious, ain't anything special, but she gonna get me right. She's just gonna do my underarms and my legs. And then she's also gonna wash and blow dry my hair just so I'm ready for tomorrow because I'm gonna have nails on and that's just not the vibe. So we got a lot of stuff to do today, but you guys are just gonna come with me. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any content. I'm trying to post a lot more. Just bear with me. I just got this camera, so I'll see you guys when we get to my nail appointment. These are the little cute teddy bears that I can get on there. I don't know what I want though. All of them are so cute. I don't know. I'm probably gonna end up doing like a pink. Or I might do a blue, who knows. It's like a silver bear. But I feel like that would be cute if it was like a pink or blue or even like a yellow. But so far, she just has the shade. They look so cute. Love it. These are how the nails turned out. I am in love. She really did her thing. Like, look how pretty. Can't really see them, but they're just white. And then I have my nails. All right, so actually, I think I'm about to pee on myself, like really. I already showed you guys the nails, but here's just a better close-up of the bad bitch nails. I wanted to show you guys what I got from the hair store. I got all of my hair I need for the hairstyle I want. First, I got this brush. It's kind of like a movable brush that's supposed to be really good for my hair type. And it'll help when I'm blow drying my hair. Got this curl refreshing spray from the Miel brand. Got this Bio Silk heat protectant for when I blow dry my hair. Then I got another product from the Miel brand. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Miel. It's just a rice water split end therapy because my split ends are so bad. Another brush just in case that other one doesn't work. Can't be too sure. I had to go home because I'm literally about to pee myself. Like, I really think I might pee on myself before I get home. All right, guys. I'm here with Tiara.
Hey.
Let me see the wax beads. So this is what I ended up getting from Ulta. I didn't really get to record, but I just got this peach flavor. It's called Just Peachy, and it smells really good to wax my armpits and my legs. We're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna blow dry my hair. Tiara, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey, I'm Tiara. What else am I supposed
Don't be awkward now that I got a camera.
What else am I supposed to say?
2 times. 2 times. What's the first one?
The car video. And
oh, yeah.
Can you uncross your legs?
Okay, excuse me.
So just let me know if it's too warm. Let me know if it's too warm for you or not, okay?
Sorry, I'm scared. It's hot here. It's hot. Why is it on my kneecap? Tear, it's hot.
Okay. Okay, can you stop?
Can you make it cool? What?
We're gonna run through it. You keep doing this.
Tiara, I'm scared. Oh my god, it's gonna. Oh my god, please stop. I can't. I don't want to. I'm not ready for this.
But you need to stop moving.
Ow!
It did not hurt.
It stung. It stung. It stung. Wow, my skin color is so different.
That looks really good.
That low-key hurt really bad though, I'm not gonna lie. Like,
No,
did you take off the skin with it?
It feels so smooth.
It does, but that really hurt.
This is too warm, I can tell.
Yeah. And you're over here burning me, talking about stop moving. First of all, you said, tell me if it's too hot. Then I tell you, and you're like, stop moving.
There's no going back now. Are we gonna wax your toes?
My toes?
That was a good one.
Ow, that hurts really bad. It looks like a piece of skin. Let me see. Ow. My legs are burning. Ooh, that's a little toasty. Is it supposed to be that hot? That is steaming.
Please stop moving.
Oh god, just hurry up.
That wasn't even bad.
So let's look at the difference of the leg. This is only gonna take one time.
Yeah, it should only take one, max two.
Max. We are only doing one, honey.
Here, I'm scared. Oh, your skin is a little moist. Let me pull it, Alicia. Okay. Let me pull it. If it stays there too long, it's just gonna be weird. I didn't even pull nothing.
Alright, so we're about to wash my hair and get all this gunk out. So it's been a little while before I popped in and said hi. I didn't really get to record my hair getting done just because a lot was going on. I didn't really want to ask to record and it just wasn't the vibes. But my hair is done. But right now I'm just going to go to Target and see what I can find. They have really, really cute purses. If you guys haven't been into Target to see like their purse section, it's actually really good. It's really cute. They're not cheap, but they're affordable. Like I don't know how to explain it, but they have really cute purses. So I'm gonna do that right now. I also haven't ate today, so I think I'm going to stop somewhere. Oh God, I almost just ran my car in the back of this car. Stop somewhere and get some food. I was thinking about Panda Express just because it's right by the Target that I'm going to. I have tried to record this video a million times, and if this doesn't work out, then we're just not gonna do it. We're just not gonna do it. Anyways, hi guys. It is the next day. I didn't really get to show you guys what I got from the store, but I'm gonna show you now. I got some goodies and then I got another bag full of stuff. I have to stop at the store to get another SD card and then some goggles because I came up with this brilliant idea that, hey, I have lashes on, and if you're a lash wearer, you know that it's kind of difficult to swim with lashes on, especially in the ocean, in pools. It's just not comfortable. So I'm gonna buy some goggles. Let's get into this and then we can start packing. The first place I went to was Sephora and I got this Laneige lip mask. I'm not sure what flavor this is. It just says the sleeping care, but I tried this out yesterday already. It's pretty good for the most part. This looks like this. It is actually so adorable. I also got a free gift with that. This is just a NARS birthday gift. It's just a bronzer and a lip balm. They're really cute colors. I'm not sure if I'll ever wear them. This Brazilian Crush mist spray in 62. I believe this is the original. It's just this, okay, I can't talk. It's just the pistachio and salted caramel flavor or scent. Oh my gosh, guys, it smells so good. It smells so good. And I went to Target and got a lot of stuff. So the first thing I got was this Neutrogena sunscreen spray. Obviously, it's the SPF 30 because I burn really bad on vacation. So, and then I just got some boob tape. Some of my outfits require it. I've never worn it before, but hopefully it works out. I think it will. It looks pretty sturdy. So yeah, I got this. This was like $18. Just got some aloe vera gel. Because when I burn, I peel, and I don't want that to happen. I want really smooth skin, so I just got some aloe vera gel. It's supposed to work, so I got it. I got this little dainty necklace with this little pendant on it. I don't really know what it is, but it's super cute. I also have these earrings. I really like these little, cusp. I don't know what to call them, these little things. And I also have my seconds pierced, so I'm going to put another one in my second. And then I got just this travel Vaseline, self-explanatory, travel sanitizer. I'm so excited to pack with you guys too because like the bags I got for the airport, so cute. This is just a simple purse I got from Target. This was $18, so it was pretty cheap. I feel like it's good quality. It doesn't look like it's gonna like have any threads falling out from anywhere. It's just like a cute little purse to wear with my outfits. I needed something simple. You can't really see because my shirt's black. Like, it's just like a statement piece. We love her. I needed like a good carry-on for the airport because I literally have a Nike book bag and that's just not gonna work for me because we're grown, we're bougie, we're moving forward. You know what I mean? Like, so I just got this black tote bag. It's not really a tote bag. It's just like a cute little airport bag. It's just black. It opens on both of the sides here and then of course in the middle. I can wear it like this if I want to, like if I'm feeling too bougie for these, like if I'm feeling bougie, I'll wear it like this. If I'm feeling like, okay, I gotta go make my flight, I need to hurry the fuck up, I would, you know, put this strap on or wear it like this. Like, it's just cute. I love it. It's, you know, it's chic, it's black, whatever. I forgot to show you guys, I got this wallet little thingy just to carry around in case I don't want to carry around a big wallet or a big purse. And it fits in that other purse that I have. So this is really cute. Tuesday, November 8th. It is 12:05. We leave at 6 a.m. We leave in like 17 hours. You can't really see. I'm washing clothes right now. I'm actually going to start packing.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my